Networking in 2025 is a whole new game, and it's more important than ever. Forget the old image of awkward handshakes and stacks of business cards. Today, networking is about building real, meaningful relationships in a world that's more digital, more global, and powered by smarter technology. So, how do you stand out and connect with the right people? Let's break down the steps to networking like a pro this year. First, start with your digital identity. In 2025, your online presence is your first impression. Before anyone responds to your message or agrees to meet, they've already checked your LinkedIn, maybe your X profile, or even your TikTok. Ask yourself, what does your online footprint say about you? Make sure your profiles are clear, consistent, and up to date. Use a headline that shows your impact, not just your job title. And don't forget a professional photo. With AI tools, you can get a polished look in minutes, but keep it real and approachable. Align your message across all platforms so people know exactly who you are and what you stand for. Next, use AI to your advantage. In 2025, AI tools can help you prepare for every conversation. Want to connect with someone new? AI can quickly summarize their latest work, highlight their interests, and even suggest topics you have in common. This means you can reach out with a message that's personal and relevant, not just generic. Show genuine interest in what they do, and you'll stand out from the crowd. Don't just show up in person, be active in digital spaces too. Some of the best networking happens online, in places like LinkedIn audio events, X Spaces, Discord groups, or even virtual meetups. The key is to participate regularly and contribute thoughtfully. Over time, you'll become a familiar face, and opportunities will start to find you. Always remember to give before you ask. Instead of reaching out with a request, think about how you can offer value first. Maybe it's sharing a helpful article, making an introduction, or leaving a thoughtful comment on someone's work. When you're known as someone who gives, people naturally want to help you in return. Create shareable micro-content. Short posts, quick videos, or simple graphics can showcase your expertise and personality. You don't need a huge following, just be consistent. When people see your content, they get to know you and connections start coming your way. Blend online and offline interactions. If you meet someone online, suggest a quick call or coffee if possible. If you meet in person, connect digitally so you stay in touch. Each new touchpoint deepens the relationship. Finally, follow up with personality. Skip the generic messages. Reference something from your conversation, send a warm thank you, or even a short voice note. Use AI to help you remember details, so your follow-ups feel personal and genuine. Networking in 2025 is about quality, not quantity. Focus on building authentic, value-driven connections, and you'll open doors to new opportunities in your career and beyond. Try just one of these strategies this week and see how your network grows. That's how you network like a pro in 2025.